It is fast and it is simple. I'm going to set the x equal to 0 and find out what y is. I'm going to set x equal to 0, so we're left with 3y is equal to 77. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 3, and that's going to give me y is equal to 77 divided by 3. 77 divided by 3, which is 25.6 repeating. And that gives us this nice point. When x is equal to 0, the y is this number. We're going to find where does it cross the x-axis. So we're going to look for the x-intercept. Anywhere along the x-axis, the y value is 0. So we're going to set the y to be 0. That's going to give us negative 8x, and then plus 3 times 0 is 0. We just don't bother writing it. Is equal to 77. And then divide both sides by 8. X is equal to 77 over 8, which is 77 divided by 8 is 16.0416 repeating, which gives us this point. The x is this number, and the y is 0, comma, 0. Plot these 2 points, and we're done. 0 and 25.6 is going to be way up here, so I'm just going to drag this down. So 25.6 repeating, 25.6 repeating, put the a here. So that's 25, and I'm just going to zoom in on that. Just to get back to that point, I'm just going to translate the whole thing down. So this is 25 well, this is 25, and this is 25.5, and 25.6. 25.6 repeating is 25.66. We're at 25.6. To get to 66, I'm going to go up. It's 0.66666, so it's closer to 0.67. I'm going to go up to 7. So I'm holding down the command key, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. We're done. So I'm just going to zoom out. There's our A point. Well, we can't see it, but it's way up here. And then to get our B point, 16.0416, repeating 0. Here's our 16. So I'm just going to drag that over a little bit. So 16.04, so really, really close to 16. But we can go to 16.04 if we zoom in. So let's try zooming in, and then I'm going to translate till we get to the 16. I'm just going to click on here and click on the 16. 16.04. This is 16.1. It's going to be between 16 and 16.1. 16 point, hold down the command key. This is 16.01, 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04. So that's 16.04. Okay, and let's zoom out, and there's our line.